Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety during the repair process. Now, carefully remove the base of the appliance. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws located at the corners of the base. Store these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base away from the unit. Be cautious of any wiring connected to the base. Next, let's focus on the panel replacement. Look for the panel tabs on the sides. Using the flathead screwdriver, gently pry the panel away from the body of the Thermomix. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws or clips that may be holding the panel in place. Once free, disconnect any wiring attached to the old panel. Now, take your new panel and connect the wiring, securing it in place before pushing it back into position. Moving on to the blade replacement, locate the blade assembly inside the mixing bowl. Using your tweezers, carefully pull out the old blade. If it's stuck, you might need to wiggle it a bit. Once removed, insert the new blade by aligning it with the grooves in the bowl. Ensure it fits snugly before proceeding. Now, let's replace the measuring cup. If your measuring cup is damaged, it's essential to replace it to ensure accurate measurements during cooking. Simply lift the old measuring cup out of the lid and insert the new one, making sure it clicks into place. After replacing all components, it's crucial to clean the internal parts of your Thermomix TM31. Use a soft, damp cloth to wipe down the interior, ensuring no remnants are left behind. This will help maintain the efficiency of your appliance. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. You can receive professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best service without the hassle of calls or travel. Plus, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. Finally, reattach the base by aligning it with the main unit and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to prevent any issues during use. Plug your Thermomix TM31 back in, and it should be good to go. You've now successfully replaced the panel, blade, and measuring cup. Enjoy your cooking. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.